NVTS stock analysis and price predictions for next week. This is super interesting, beginning of a new month. Let's see where we're heading next. Now, as the only guy on this page with an actual track record of 43,000 videos over 5 years, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, and ultimately this is a solid bullish market. Now, the last thing that I'll do, man, is just randomly start buying here. You know, that's the last thing that I would do. I mean, unintentionally, I've waited for this second break to kind of take a place, and it actually taken this place, right? So that's great. That's phenomenal. The price shouldn't be going anything lower than 730. And genuinely speaking, it's just like a waiting game at this point. It's a +0R at the given moments, and we'll see what the whole outcome is going to be of this. By the way, with NVTS, I look for the same exact thing just the beginning of June. The outcome of that is a clean win. Here's the proof. Right? It was 508 at the time, 2 months ago. And then ultimately speaking, I'm just waiting for this to see how that's going to turn out to be. Now, this is not financial advice. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.